Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, February 20th, 2024. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the Japanese candlesticks and I get my RSI indicator on a daily time frame chart, which is showing us that this market is extremely overbought. However, it doesn't actually mean that this market cannot go even higher. Let's just dig into the recent developments to the upside, because we already know that the last two swings, you can say this one, for example, is the top for the wave 3 in our situation, and the other one, of course, this one with the low at $40,000 is located at the is our wave 4. So we got the wave 3 and wave 4 completed. Now we want to take a look a little bit closer on this recent developments here. Let me just zoom in to this recent developments, because we are waiting for the wave 5 to be, of course, completed, right? So if we take this Fibonacci tool, Elliott wave tool, and we will apply it from the lows of the wave 4, of course, towards the wave 1, let's say wave 2, we can clearly see that this is the wave 3 progression. Now we are doing wave 4, and there is one more wave to the upside waiting to be done on this market. This is very positive for the bulls, because it means that there will be another swing high above the level of 52,694. Okay, so this is the top for our wave 3. This is the low for our wave 4. Let me just make some other levels. Let me just mark the last level here, last level for the wave 3 high. So this is the yearly high, weekly high, monthly high, 52,694. This level will likely be tested very soon. We got one more level, of course, which is the low of the wave 4, and just because I've just marked the wave 4 here, it doesn't actually mean that this is the end of this corrective cycle in wave 4, because we might evolve into more complex and time-consuming cycle in the wave 4. Nevertheless, it means for 100% that there will be one more wave to the upside. Unfortunately, this one more wave to the upside will be the last wave in the cycle, the last wave in the cycle of the on the major scale and on the minor scale. So it will be basically fifth of the fifth, and when this is done, then of course correction will come. Okay, major technical supports, major from the technical point of view. What are those levels? Is the top for the wave 3, of course, 48,700. This is the major technical support, and we need to mention one more level, the low of the wave 4, the big wave 4. Those are the major cycles, yeah. This one here, wave 3 and wave 4, and now we are doing the last cycle to the upside, wave 5. Where is the target for the wave 5? Let's find out where is the target for the wave 5. If we are looking at this kind of a progression, what we are going to do is that we are going to use the progression from the wave 1 to 3, and then we assume that the bottom of the wave 4 is already in place. So the bottom of the wave 4 should be at 50,348, right? So let me just take a look. Where is the most important one, which is of course 0.61, and 0.61. Let me just play a little bit with this situation here. 0.61 is located here. Okay, let me just get rid all of this unnecessary lines. It's kind of a quick. So next target for the wave 5, so that would be the wave 5 in the brackets, and the other wave 5, the big wave 5, is located at 59,045 tethers. The other, in case of the extension, the other level is 64,421, and this is 100% of the extension of the length of the wave 1 to 3, measured from the bottom of the wave 4, if we assume that the bottom of the wave 4 is at 50,348, and there will be no more bottom for the wave 4. So if of course we will go a little bit lower in the wave 4, we need to change our projections, but for the time being, this is the best target projection for the wave 5. Please remember, when we complete this this cycle, and when let me just place another wave 5, and when we complete this cycle, the big cycle, okay, then the market is basically done with the impulsive cycle, and traders should be ready for correction, a big correction, deep correction, because the whole cycle, whole major cycle, minor cycles are not included, major cycle had been in that situation completed, and then we are waiting for the corrective cycle to the downside. If that happens, I will of course let you know. If there is any kind of a target for this correction, I will let you know as well. So please stay tuned and stay with me, as the all of the new analysis will be made very soon. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.